and welcome to this episode of Digi Global Pan Vision. I'm Gloria here.
Today's telecast is sponsored by
UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.
First, the news headlines from Mangalore. Two-day workshop on physiotherapy management of people with spinal cord injuries inaugurated at Fadamullah Hospital. Newly laid concrete road between Collectors Gate and Ambedkar Circle inaugurated. Tiger Cubs at Pilikula attract visitors by the dozen. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Konkani song from Mansoban, a Kannada song from Geetotsav 2008 and a Konkani song from Wilfy Night held in Kuwait. News in detail. A two-day workshop on physiotherapy management of people with spinal cord injuries was inaugurated at Fadamullah Hospital on Friday, February 29 morning. The workshop was inaugurated by MLC Captain Ganesh Karnik. Physiotherapy and physiotherapists play a vital role in the society as they have ample opportunities to serve the society, said Father Patrick Rodriguez, Director of Fadamullah Charitable Institute. He was delivering the presidential address at a two-day workshop on physiotherapy management of people with spinal cord injuries organized by the Department of Physiotherapy of Fadamullah Medical College at the conference hall of Fadamullah Medical College here on Friday, February 29th.
Can't be people without spineless. But also I think there are no people without some type of spinal pain also, spinal injury. Not only the accidents that cause RTA, road traffic accident or the fall. Also nowadays they talk about the spinal injury due to as professional hazard because of the profession that is involved. That causes strain on the spine and consequently spinal injury.
Physiotherapy is a growing discipline, hence the professionals of it need sessions where they can expand their horizons of knowledge. Such sessions would definitely boost their confidence and thereby empower and inspire professionals, he opined.
The field of physiotherapy has a lot to give to the well-being of the people, especially the spinal injury patients, a lot. Now this depends on how well our physiotherapists are equipped with knowledge, with experience, and how they develop the science of physiotherapy in healing the individual persons.
Dr. Praveen Aaron, physiotherapist, Captain Ganesh Karnik, MLC, and Dr. Lisa Harvey, chief guest and resource persons for the day, spoke on the occasion. Dr. B. Sanjeev Rai, Dean, Fadamullah Medical College, welcomed the gathering, and Narasimhan S., Course Coordinator of Physiotherapy, proposed vote of thanks. Father Dennis Tessa, Administrator, and a total of 103 delegates were present on the occasion. This workshop surely will be of much benefit to people who have been ailing from problems related to spinal cord. Mangalore has been developing at an astonishing pace, but there has been complaint that the existing infrastructure is not adequate to match the pace of development. But the administration has been taking steps to meet the future demands. A proof of this is a newly laid concrete road between Collectors Gate and Ambedkar or Jyoti Circle, which was inaugurated on Friday, February 29th. The 500-meter stretch between Ambedkar Circle and Collectors Gate at Balmata was inaugurated by Mayor Ganesh Hosabetu on Friday, February 29th. This road work was taken up by Urban Infrastructure Development and Finance Corporation under Rs 16.3 crore 4-lane road project from Mahavir Circle to Hampankatta.
B.R. Ambedkar ವೃತ್ತದಿಂದ ಈ ಬಲ್ಮಠ ರಸ್ತೆಯವರೆಗೆ ಆಗುವಂತ ಅದರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವೆಚ್ಚ 2,25 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿನ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪ, ನಂತರ ನೀರು ಸರಾಗವಾಗಿ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಏನು ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಅಗೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ 2 ಫೀಟ್ ಅಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನಿತರ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ.
Though inauguration was scheduled for 10:15 in the morning, it was held much before that, mainly owing to communication problem. This, however, enraged former district in charge minister Nagraj Chetty, who arrived at the earlier announced time. But road had already been inaugurated by then. Apib Nagraj Shetty, though came to the spot, did not alight from his car and left the place without waiting for anyone. The road was earlier inaugurated by Mayor Ganesh Hosabettu, Deputy Mayor Shakila, former Suratkal MLA Krishna Palemar, BJP leader in MCC Shankar Bhatt, former Mayor Shashidhar Hegde, Corporator Mariamma Thomas were present on the occasion. Earlier, Syed Ilyas Pasha, Executive Engineer of Karnataka Urban Infrastructure Development and Finance Corporation, said that barring every minor works like interlocking in some pockets, the rest of the works have been completed, including lighting on the maiden, as platting the adjoining roads which end on to the concrete stretch. The next target of Karnataka Urban Infrastructure Development and Finance Corporation is the 700-meter stretch from Collector's Gate to Bendurware. Though the entire stretch had to be concretized in the original plan, Karnataka Urban Infrastructure Development and Finance Corporation would only take up 250 meters of the road, starting from Collector's Gate up to Mangalore Nursing Home in the first phase due to paucity of time. Pasha said that the Jyoti Circle Collector's Gate work was delayed by nearly 2 months due to objections. They were constrained to take up less than half of the next stretch due to the impending monsoon. The rest would be taken up after the monsoon till Low Bendur Circle, he added. Let's hope that the new administration led by BJP for the first time in Mangalore City Corporation will do justice to meet the ever-increasing demands of development. Roads are the lifeline of any city, and Mangalore and Mangaloreans will surely benefit a lot if City Road get new looks. Pilikula Nisargadama is a popular weekend destination of Mangalore. Dr. Pilikula Diversity Park, which is popular among the children, has got a new attraction. The 3 5-month-old tigers which were born at Pilikula have been kept for public viewing. We have a report on this. These days, Pilikula Nisargadama is attracting visitors by the dozen, and there is a genuine reason behind it. World's favorite animal tiger, that too not one but 3 big cats which were born just 5 months back, have been kept for public viewing. Mangaloreans with their families are flocking to watch these 5-month-old tigers which have been allowed to roam freely in the biodiversity park. The cubs were born at Pilikula 5 months ago, but only now they have been exposed to public viewing. The tigress which gave birth to these 3 cubs was bought from Shivamogga 1.5 years ago. With the birth of these 3 cubs, the number of tigers increased to 6 at Pilikula Biodiversity Park. The Biodiversity Park of Pilikula is doing a yeoman's task in protecting tiger population. It is high time that we all join hands with officials in the noble task. We still have best of our entertainment part reserved only for you buffs, but surely only after this short commercial break. So stay tuned to TV Daiji World.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.